Are you looking for a completely renovated, spacious home in an established neighborhood? Well, I've got great news. The no-expensive spared floor-to-ceiling remodel of my newest listing was just completed, and this turnkey home is ready for moving day. We're here in La Puente, just across the street from West Covina. With the convenience of this location, you'll be close by to shopping, schools, dining, and recreation. We're centrally located with easy freeway access to downtown LA, Orange County, and the Inland Empire. Wow, would you check out this space? Every inch of this home has been redone. With the construction completed just a few days ago, this home is now over 1,600 square feet. This great room, which is open to the kitchen, is the heart of the home, but the floor plan provides excellent privacy, with the master suite on one side and the 3 remaining bedrooms on the other. Now I can't wait to show you those spaces, but first, let me point out all the upgrades you'll enjoy. These high-end laminate floors provide the look of wood, but they're low maintenance and even waterproof for up to 24 hours. The wood-burning fireplace will keep you warm on cool winter days, and the central air conditioning will cool you off in the summer. This room was brought down to the studs and completely rebuilt. Can you believe the finishes in this spectacular kitchen? Check out this massive kitchen island. This is one solid slab of low-maintenance quartz. Don't miss this massive step-in pantry, complete with built-in shelving, LED lighting, and a frosted glass door. If you prefer a more formal dinner, this intimate dining room right off the kitchen is private, but not cut off from the rest of the space. With everything being new in this home, it's hard to pick my favorite room, but I think it's got to be this expanded master suite. A premium attribute of this bedroom is the cavernous walk-in closet, complete with dark-stained barn doors and recessed lighting. This bathroom was completely taken down with studs and doubled in size. The resulting space features a dual-sink vanity in a rich gray tone and white marble-look quartz tying in from the kitchen. No need to worry, the secondary bedrooms and bathroom get a luxurious touch too. As you walk down the hallway from the kitchen, the remodeled bathroom is near the remaining 3 bedrooms. The large backyard offers plenty of space to lounge, entertain, and play. Fresh mulch has been laid, and there's a convenient stepping stone path leading to either side of the home. My absolute favorite part of the yard, though, are these 2 mature avocado trees that produce more fruit than you can eat. For more information on how to make this home yours, contact me at 949-885-9885. Thanks for watching.